Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Catalyst iPad Pro 12.9-inch case. This is for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2018 through the 3rd gen. Here's the screen cover part right here. And then we have the base part where the iPad actually goes into. It provides protection all the way around on the inside. There's 2 layers to this. There's a TPU cover right here for it, and then the hard inner shell right there. It has the audio out grills, top and bottom. You have your camera cluster cover right there. And on the bottom you have the charge port cover. That's nice to keep the dust and dirt out. So you can use this while transferring your iPad, from moving it from your backpack to your briefcase, or if you're out on the field using it. It provides 6.6 foot drop protection, and that is great for an iPad Pro that's this big. So you definitely need a case for your iPad Pro or your iPad, and we recommend this Catalyst case with this neat top cover for the screen. Easy to touch through, no problem there. And this nice thick back part, so when it impacts at 6 feet, it won't bust apart. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.